Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change page margin on Word. So let's get right to the video. Once you have opened up your Word file, head over to page layout section, and here you can see a margin option and click on the drop down box and click on custom margins. Here you can change your margin according to your preference, like what you want to give, 1 inch or at top 1 inch 1.2, or at the bottom 1.2 or 1.3, whatever you want. And you can change the gutter position also, and portrait to landscape also. Here you can change the page number in which it will be applied, like if you want to change the whole margin of the whole document, then you can apply it, or either you want to change a substantial point of a document, then you can change also. Then you just have to change it to this point forward, and yeah, that's it. Just click on OK and it will be changed. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.